To install the cabinets, remove the ESD floor panels within the marked dimensions. Install supports. Use a level to check the supports. Remove cartons and other packaging. Remove the upper panel from the side of the DC cabinet. Remove the upper panel from the side of the rectifier cabinet. Remove the lower cover from the rectifier cabinet. Remove the rear cover from the rectifier cabinet. Install the DC cabinet. Tighten the bolts to secure the DC cabinet. Install the rectifier cabinet. Tighten the bolts to secure the rectifier cabinet. Install the AC cabinet. Tighten the bolts to secure the AC cabinet. Install cabinet connecting plates. Install connecting copper bars. Remove the cover from the negative 48-volt bus bar in the rectifier cabinet. Install a connecting copper bar for negative 48-volt bus bars. Install a connecting copper bar for positive RTN bus bars. Installation is now complete.